This week, our letter is letter T, and T makes a sound. So when we form capital T is a tall tree, and add a fort at the top so you can see. And then lowercase t is a tiny tree, add a fort in the middle so you can see. So that's how you form them. And then, so you guys should know how this works by now. Choose an option for capital T, an option for lowercase t, or if they want to practice both of them together, that's fine too. If they find activities that they love, that's okay as well. Take a picture, put it on your child's portfolio, and then they'll get to color in their chart for their capital and lowercase letter T that they practice. So you can use shaving cream to practice T's. So just put a little tiny bit on the table. A little bit goes a long way, and they can make capital T and lowercase t in that. Straw teas. So here's a couple options for using straws. You can cut the straws up and they can form them like they are in this picture, or you can leave them long. They can make super big teas. Or if you take a pile of Play-Doh, you can write the tea in the Play-Doh and then push the straws on top of that. So then it's kind of like a 3D tea. Writing teas on the window. So if you have an expo marker, dry erase marker, that just erases right off of a window. So they can write capital T and lowercase t on the window. Make sure they do quite a few of them. That just gives them some repetition. Also, they can finish the hand fitting page. Also, when they're doing these activities, make sure that you ask them a couple times what sound T makes. Make sure they say so they get the sound in there as well.